Look at the quality of this pod.
We should prioritize this section for the next pickup.
The viability metrics are holding steady at 98%.
Good. Let's increase the misting cycle by 5 seconds on the next batch. Connect the next segment firmly.
Got it. We need to cover the whole root zone by noon.
Water levels are stable, right on target.
Confirmed. The flow rate is optimal for the ecosystem.
Riyadh, take the drone higher, focus on that cluster of epiphytes.
Acknowledged. Increasing altitude now.
The spectral analysis here shows a clear nutrient deficiency in this cluster.
Yes, we should schedule a ground inspection for these pods immediately.
Look at the fruit pods here. They're forming earlier than expected.
Noted. That changes the harvest prediction.
We have a good sample here.
Let's get this under the scope immediately. The rings are almost invisible.
We must ensure minimal intervention, only collecting what has fallen naturally.
This gentle handling is key.
The yield in this section is significant.
And the quality seems high. Listen to this rattle. It's perfectly dry.
It is a beautiful morning to begin the collection.
Indeed. Let us start with the fallen pods.
Parameters confirmed. Homogenization is complete.
Excellent. Proceed to the next stage.
Temperature steady at 18.
Humidity is holding at 3.5. All parameters met.
The 150-gram glass jars move along a stainless steel conveyor into an industrial induction sealing machine. The jars move along a stainless steel conveyor into an automated applicator.
Check the tension on the upper right side. Looks good now? Yes, completely secured, ready for transit.
How are the compliance checks looking for the European route?
Everything is green. We anticipate an early arrival at the Rotterdam hub.
Baobab powder, $12.99. Please place the item in the bag. Thank you for your purchase.
I can't believe how versatile this baobab powder is. These recipes are incredible. You have to try them. Look how well they're chopping the vegetables.
They grow up so fast. Are you two having fun?
Yes, Dad.